In this video, I will show you how to fix copyright claim on TikTok. First, let's talk about why this happened. The most common reason is that you have used copyrighted music, meaning it is owned by another content creator or a company. So here are a few solutions to resolve this issue. The first thing you can do is, if you want to use the music, consider reaching out to the owner to discuss the matter and possibly resolve this issue directly. And if contacting the owner is not an option, you can simply re-upload the video without the copyrighted music. And if you want to use any music without facing copyright issue, what you have to do is go to your profile, then click on the three lines in the top right corner, and then click on settings and privacy. In the settings panel, click on account. Now look for switch to personal account option and click on it and confirm your choice to switch. After switching, you can use any music you want without copyright concerns. For business accounts, you can download music from platforms like YouTube, but make sure to use the Creative Commons filter to avoid copyright issues.